In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a record in Zoho CRM. There might be instances where you need to maintain data integrity by ensuring that certain information in your CRM system remains unchanged once it's set. This is where record locking comes into play. It's a powerful feature that helps you keep control over who can modify your records and under what conditions they can do so. Let's dive into how you can set up locking within Zoho CRM. Firstly, you'll want to start by navigating to the Setup area of your Zoho CRM. Once you're there, look for the Customization section. Within Customization, you'll find an option labeled Modules and Fields. This is your gateway to tailoring the CRM experience to fit your specific needs. Next, open the particular module you're interested in. For the sake of this guide, let's say it's the Leads module, but the process is essentially the same for any module you choose. Once you're in the module, you'll notice a tab called Locking Configuration. That's where you want to be. Click on this tab to begin setting up your record locking preferences. You'll see an option to Configure Now. Clicking this takes you to the configuration settings where the magic happens. Now, you'll need to decide whether you want to allow manual locking. This gives users the power to lock and unlock records themselves. It's a more flexible approach, granting users some autonomy. Alternatively, you can opt for automatic locking, which enforces specific rules for locking without user intervention. This is particularly useful if you have set criteria that must be met for a record to be considered final. You can define up to 5 rules per module. For example, you might want a record to lock automatically once its status changes to Closed Won. This ensures no further modifications can happen accidentally once a deal is marked as complete. The next step is to decide which user profiles these locks will apply to or exempt from. This is where you can fine-tune who has the ability to make changes and who doesn't, offering a tailored level of access within your team. You also need to select the actions that remain permitted and decide which fields will still be editable even after a record is locked. This ensures that the right information can remain updated where necessary, while other more sensitive data stays untouched. Finally, make sure to click Save. This last step confirms all your settings. It's crucial to check everything is as you need it before saving to avoid going back and forth later. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have set up a robust record locking system in Zoho CRM, helping you maintain the integrity of your data while evolving your business processes efficiently. Hope you found this guide helpful.